remember if any of in my previous podcast I mentioned that at the end of March, early April, I test knitted for Lynn of Chicken Lady Fiber Arts. That was a really fun experience. And she sent me 3 skeins of her yarn and asked me to make a pair of mittens with each one. So I had never knitted mittens before. So I made one with my yarn, and this is actually that same Red Heart Christmas yarn that I was mentioning I want to make the my daughter's Christmas socks with, because I didn't want to mess up her yarn by learning of what to do. Anyway, so this is similar to what I sent back to her, but anyway, as a sort of like payment, I guess, she said you can, get the cash for it, or I can give you a discount in my shop. Duh, I want a discount in your shop. So anyway, so I finally used it. I've had this yarn for a month and a half or something, but I've opened the package, but I haven't actually opened it to look what's inside of it. So before I get into actually what I got, which I went in and purchased her mystery yarn that's available. So that's what I got, and I'll get into that. But first, before I do that, you know how you get the little sampler size of chocolates? She took that theory and put it into practice with yarn so that you can test her yarn bases before you buy it. And that's good for people like me, because I've never really used fancy hand-dyed yarn. I've never, used, whatever they're made out of, merino and all that. I have not. I think what I tested with her yarn, I think probably was made with that, but I've never used any of that. So this was really good for someone like me. So we're gonna open that part of it together. So let's see. It is take it all out. This is kind of fun. Ooh. Okay, that's it. Let's see. Oh, she wrote a cute note on her card. I will read that later. She has, she gave me a pen. I like pens. Oh, how neat. It has her, well, I don't know if you can see it there. We probably can't. Well, no, but it says Chicken Lady Fiber Arts, chickenladyfiberarts.com. I am so excited about that. That is fantastic. I love pins. So this one is a very pretty yarn, and I'm guessing it's her Bodacious colorway. Look at that. Those colors are really pretty. And then this one says Gag Me with a Spoon. This is one thing that I like about her shop, is a lot of it is very 80s and maybe 90s, but definitely 80s inspired, and I love that. So this is Gag Me with a Spoon. That is so pretty. Let's see if I can get it in there. Very, very pretty. But then here is her sampler box. Very cute. So she even has, I'll tell you each one. These are the ones that is included. Oh, and she even includes a Milky Way. She even includes a Milky Way. Love me some chocolate. I'll be eating that. Okay. So these are what they are. This, let me see the best way to do this. So this is colorway Hazy Purple, and I guess these are the different bases she has that come in the Hazy Purple colorway. This is her Cerama. It says 80/20 superwash merino and nylon. You get 434 yards per 115 grams. Sourced from the USA, it says. And it has a very pretty, different shades of purple and this blue. Very, very pretty. Next is Cerama, if I'm even saying that right, Cerama Bamboo. It is 60/30/10, or 60% South Southwest. 60% superwash merino, 30% bamboo, 10% nylon, and again 434 yards per 115 grams. So pretty. It's really soft. Like, wow. Next is Americana. This is a little darker, a little more blue tint. I think I'm blowing it out here, but it is 100% superwash merino. You get 230 yards per 100 grams. And again, sourced from the USA. This one is the DK sock. It is 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 245 yards per 100 grams. Okay. This is Wyandotte, if I said that right. It's 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, and 10% nylon. You get 181 yards per 100 grams. Now this one feels a little bulkier. This is probably like a thick worsted weight, maybe? I don't know. Okay. And then here is Rhode Island Red, which I do believe this is her worsted weight category, size 4. If I remember right from her website, this is 100% superwash Rambouillet. I don't know if I'm saying that right. 200 yards per 127 grams, and again, sourced from USA. Okay. Whoops. Now this one is silky. It hope am I focusing there? Aww. Oh, it's like really messing up my color, isn't it? This is silky, 85% merino, 15% silk, 215 yards per 100 grams. And the last one is, God bless you. And the last one is Leghorn, which is 100% superwash merino, 150 yards per 125 grams. That is super, super neat. That is a really neat idea to do that so that you can get a feel for her different bases before you order. And if I believe, this is free with every order while her supplies last. And you can even go on and purchase this separately for free. And I believe maybe you just pay shipping, I think is how that works. But she does say on her card, please visit yarn base information at chickenladyfiberarts.com for more details. So here is that. Super neat idea. I really like that idea. And the fact that she ships that to you for free, or you know, for just the cost of shipping, is fantastic, so that you know the feel of it, the texture of it, and everything before you buy it. I think that's really cool. So she is I obviously had very limited contact with her, but mainly through email, and she was just really, really nice. I like Lynn. She was a nice lady. Okay, so now here was the mystery bag portion. It was like 30 bucks. Come on, that was really good. The first one, this is so pretty. So here is her label. This is silky, which is a worsted weight. It's 85% merino, 15% silk, 215 yards per 100 grams. Number 6 through 9 US needles, hand wash, dry flat. This is the colorway Arctic Ice. So here is the label. Look at this color. I mean, it is such a gorgeous blue. And it looks like there's different kind of shades of blue. Maybe, I'm not really sure. I've been hearing a lot about like tonals and stuff like that. I don't really know what that means. I don't know. Sorry. But anyway, but I'm guessing because there's different variations of blue. Oh, it's so soft. Very. I can't wait to use that. I don't know what I'm going to use. That would be like a really great like cowl or scarf or something. The next one is, this is my favorite one. So this is also worsted weight. I think, oh, that reminds me. So I think you could get any one of her bases, and because I'm more comfortable with worsted weight, I think that's what all I got. Like, but I think you could get like all sock yarn or, you know, whatever, bulky yarn or something like that. So let's show this. Look at those colors. Again, so soft. And this is also 85% merino, 15% silk. And this is the colorway Highly Stranger. Again, her yarn label. So pretty and soft. Oh, so soft. It has different variations of like a dark purple, light purple, kind of bluish, teal. So pretty. This would be gorgeous in a sweater, I feel like. I really do. Ooh, maybe that flax sweater is like a little mini skein. And it is Rhode Island Red. But this is 100% merino, superwash merino, 50 yards, 25 grams. And this is the color Aegean Midnight. Wow. And actually, I don't know if they all sell like this, but she has it priced at $5.75. What? That's a really good deal. I feel like, I don't know, I've never bought like minis or anything like that, but I feel like that would be a really good deal for 50 grams or 50 yards. I don't know. But this is it's probably coming up black, but is that black? Maybe it is black. I don't know. I can't see. I think it is black, but then it has all these different variations of blues. That is so pretty and so soft. So, like I said, highly recommend her. This is the first ones that I have actually bought myself from an indie dyer, and because I've had a personal dealing with her in email and knitting for her, I'm gonna say she's my favorite. I cannot wait to use that yarn. It may take me a little while because I just want to look at it and collect it. Oh no. And how exciting about this pen. I think that's really cool. I love pens. I love purses, bags, containers, anything like that. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.